all-new Land Rover LR2.
Hello and welcome back to Tech 101. I'm Eric Hesseldahl, Senior Technology Writer here at BusinessWeek.com. This is our weekly place where we answer your questions about technology. Send the questions. We love them. We need them. We got to have them. Tech 101 at BusinessWeek.com. We'll try to answer them for you and in plain English. Now, I don't have a question this week, but I do have something kind of cool I want to show you. Summer's here, and I don't know about you, but I am kind of hard to find. I spend a lot of time at the office, or I may be at home, but I have a lot of social engagements, weeknights, weekend, whatever it may be, maybe at the vacation place. I'm tough to reach, and so I once tried to tally up all the various places where you might be able to try to call me, and I came up with like a dozen different numbers. It was just absolutely mind-boggling. And so I'm a tough guy to track down, and I suspect a lot of you are as well. You've got a home number, you've got an office number, you've got a cell phone number, you might even have a second cell phone number. You might have a vacation home, you might have, I don't know, a satellite phone on your yacht. Whatever it may be, you've probably got a lot more phones than you ever had before. And wouldn't it be nice if you had just one number, one single solitary phone number that your friends, your family, your colleagues could call you on and reach you regardless of where you are, whether you're at home, whether you're at the office, whether you're working from home or from your vacation home, or wherever you happen to be on a regular basis. I'm going to show you how to do that today. And the best news, it's free. It's a service on the web. It's called grandcentral.com. I've been playing around with it for the last several weeks. And there's a lot to like here, and it's definitely worth checking out if you're one of those multi-phone people like me. Now I'm going to show you a little bit about how it works. This is one of the setup screens here. You see I've got 3 different phones that will ring. Now Grand Central will give you a phone number, and it's got numbers that are available for area codes and local prefixes in 47 states. For some reason it's missing Alaska, Hawaii, and Maine. I don't know why. But now one area code it definitely can't get, and I've tried repeatedly, is 212 in New York. I've tried New Yorkers, I don't know, we're kind of snobbish about 212 area code. I've tried to get a 212, can't get it. Best I could get was 347, which is one of those new overlay New York area codes. But anyway, so I've got this 347 number, and I've got it pointing to my BlackBerry, which is also a cell phone, my regular cell phone. Don't ask me why I carry 2 cell phones, basically. One I use as a phone, the BlackBerry I basically use just as a BlackBerry, but it's also a phone, so work with me. Then I've got my office number here. I could add my home number, I could add vacation house, I could add maybe a second office that I visit on a regular basis. Dial this one number. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate what happens. I'm going to call the 347 number that Grand Central has given me. What should happen is that these 2 cell phones should ring. There they are. Now I'll go ahead and pick up this cell phone, the loud one. And I'll press 1 to accept the call. And now I'm talking on this phone to whoever's on this phone, which I'm not going to demonstrate, but you get the idea. So I'll go ahead and hang up. And that gives you the idea. Now, I've got this configured right now to dial these 2 cell phones, but also the phone at my desk. And you can add several phones. I think it'll take up to 5. And later on, you'll be able to add more as they add more and more powerful features and the ability to support more phones. Now, one other thing about voicemail. I always forget to check my voicemail at home, but I never